Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Speak, the podcast where we learn real English together, slowly, clearly, and with a lot of heart.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. I am Alex, and this is my mom, Sarah. Together, we are your English learning friends.
That is right, and if this is your first time here, welcome to the family. We make English feel easy and fun. No stress, no pressure, just real English step by step.
And if you are coming back, hello again. Thank you for being here. We really appreciate every single one of you.
Now, before we start today's lesson, we have a small request. If this podcast helps you, please like this episode and subscribe to English Daily Speak. It really helps us reach more learners just like you around the world.
Yes, please. It takes just 1 second, and it means everything to us. Okay, Mom, what are we learning today?
Today, we're learning one of the most useful things in English. We're learning future simple tense.
Future simple. I remember when this confused me so much. I used to write things like, tomorrow I will goes to school.
And that is exactly why we are here today. By the end of this episode, you will never make that mistake again, I promise. So listeners, get comfortable, get your notebook, and let's learn together. Okay, Alex, let's start with the basics. What is future simple tense for?
It is for talking about things that will happen in the future, things that have not happened yet.
Exactly. Tomorrow, next week, next year, things that are coming. And in English, we use one very important word to talk about the future. Alex, do you know what that word is?
Will.
Perfect. Will. Just one word. And here's the beautiful thing about will. It never changes.
What do you mean it never changes?
I mean, listen carefully. I will go. You will go. He will go. She will go. We will go. They will go.
Oh, it is always just will, no matter who we are talking about.
Exactly. No S for he and she. No changes at all. Just will every time.
That is actually easier than present simple. In present simple, I had to remember to add S for he and she. But in future simple, nothing changes.
That is a great observation, Alex. Future simple is actually one of the easiest tenses in English once you know the formula.
So what is the formula?
The formula is very simple. Subject, will, base verb. That's it. 3 parts. Subject, will, base verb.
Like, I will eat, she will come, they will play?
Perfect. Now listeners, let us say that together. Repeat after us. I will go.
I will go.
He will eat.
He will eat.
They will study.
They will study.
She will come home.
She will come home.
Great job, listeners. You're already using future simple. Now, Alex, tell me something you will do tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow I will wake up early, I will eat a good breakfast, I will go to school, and I will study very hard.
Beautiful. Every single sentence, perfect future simple. Did you notice something, listeners? After will, the verb never changes. Wake, eat, go, study. Always the base form.
No ed, no s, just the clean, simple verb.
Exactly right.
Alex, I have a question. When I listen to English movies or songs, I hear people say things like, I'll see you tomorrow, or she'll be there. What is that?
That is a great question, Alex. Those are contractions. In spoken English, we often make will shorter.
Shorter how?
Instead of I will, we say I'll. Instead of he will, we say he'll. Instead of she will, we say she'll. Instead of they will, we say they'll. Instead of we will, we say we'll.
So, I will see you becomes I'll see you?
Exactly. Same meaning, just shorter and more natural in conversation.
Let me practice. I'll wake up at 7. He'll go to work. She'll study tonight. We'll eat dinner together. They'll play football tomorrow.
Perfect. You sound very natural already. Now, listeners, repeat after us again. I will come. I'll come.
I will come. I'll come.
She will help. She'll help.
She will help. She'll help.
We will win. We'll win.
We will win. We'll win.
Wonderful. Both forms are correct. In writing, I will is more formal. In speaking, I'll sounds more natural. You can use both.
Good to know. So now we know how to make positive future simple sentences. What about negative?
Great timing, Alex. Let us talk about negative sentences now. How do we say something will not happen in the future?
We use will not.
Exactly. Will not plus the base verb. I will not go. He will not eat. She will not come.
And is there a shorter form for will not too?
Yes, will not becomes won't. And this one is a little tricky because it sounds very different.
Won't. W-O-N''T. Won't.
Right. I won't go. He won't eat. She won't come. Same meaning as will not, just shorter.
Let me practice with some real examples. I won't be late tomorrow. He won't forget his homework. She won't miss the meeting. They won't come to the party.
Excellent. Everyone correct. Now, listeners, your turn. Repeat after us. I will not go. I won't go.
I will not go. I won't go.
He will not come. He won't come.
He will not come. He won't come.
She will not forget. She won't forget.
She will not forget. She won't forget.
Well done, listeners. You are doing so well. Now, Alex, one more section. Questions.
Okay, how do we ask questions about the future?
Simple. We move will to the beginning of the sentence. Will, subject, base verb.
So instead of you will come, we say, will you come?
Exactly. Will you come? Will he eat? Will she study? Will they play?
That is easy. And what about WH questions, like what, where, when, why?
Same idea. WH word comes first, then will, then subject, then base verb. What will you do tomorrow? Where will he go? When will she come home?
Let me make some examples. What will you eat for breakfast? Where will they go on holiday? When will he finish his homework? Why will she be late?
Perfect. Every question correct. Now, listeners, repeat after us one more time. Will you come?
Will you come?
Will he study?
Will he study?
What will you do tomorrow?
What will you do tomorrow?
Where will she go?
Where will she go?
Wonderful job, everyone. You have now learned the complete future simple tense, positive, negative, and questions. Let us do a quick review before we wrap up.
Alex, before we finish, can we talk about the most common mistakes, the ones learners always make?
Good idea. Alex, what is the biggest mistake you used to make?
I used to write, I will goes to school. I added S after will.
And why is that wrong?
Because after will, we always use the base verb. No S, no changes, ever.
Exactly right. Will already tells us it is future. We do not need to change the verb at all. Let us go through the top 3 mistakes quickly.
Mistake number 1. I will goes, wrong. It should be, I will go. No S after will.
Mistake number 2. She will studied. Wrong. It should be, she will study. No ED after will. Base verb only.
Mistake number 3. He will went. Wrong. It should be, he will go. We do not mix past and future. Base verb after will, always.
If you remember just one thing from today, remember this. Will plus base verb, always, no exceptions.
Will plus base verb, simple and clean.
Okay, everyone, let us wrap up today's episode with a quick recap. Alex, can you summarize what we learned today?
Of course. Today we learned future simple tense. We use will to talk about the future. The formula is subject, will, base verb, and the verb never changes. We learned short forms, I'll, he'll, she'll, won't. We learned negatives, will not and won't. And we learned questions, will you come? What will you do?
Perfect summary. You are improving so much, Alex. And listeners, you are too. Every episode you listen to, every sentence you repeat, you are getting better. Do not stop now.
And remember, learning a language takes time. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. Every mistake is a step forward.
That is so true. We are proud of every single one of you for showing up today and choosing to learn. Before we go, we have a fun community question for you. We ask this every episode because we love reading your answers.
This week's question is, what is one thing you will do this weekend? Write your answer in the comments using future simple. For example, this weekend I will visit my family, or this weekend I'll watch a movie.
We read every single comment, and if you make a mistake, we will help you correct it. That's our promise to you.
Thank you so much for listening to English Daily Speak. If this episode helped you, please like it, share it with a friend who is learning English, and subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
We upload new episodes every week, so come back soon. We'll be here waiting for you.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.
See you in the next episode, everyone. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Take care.